Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Claude, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start using Claude, first, go to the Claude website or the app where it is available. Create an account if you haven't already. Enter your email address and choose a secure password. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the interface. Locate the main dashboard where you'll see the chat window. Type your first question or statement in the input field. Press enter or click the send button to submit your message. Wait for Claude to generate a response. Read the response to ensure it meets your expectations. If you want to continue the conversation, ask follow-up questions. Explore different topics by varying your queries. Utilize specific keywords to get more detailed answers. Adjust the tone of your questions to see how Claude responds. If you're unsure about how to phrase something, use simple language. Take note of any features like saving conversations or bookmarking responses. Experiment with commands or prompts to see added functionalities. Refer to the Help or FAQ section for guidance on advanced features. Keep practicing to become familiar with Claude's capabilities. As you gain confidence, explore more complex topics and questions. Remember that the more you use Claude, the better you'll understand how to interact effectively. Enjoy your experience as you learn and explore with Claude. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.